Today we are going to make Easter eggs, and to make the Easter eggs, we need warm water, hard-boiled or empty eggs, vinegar, food coloring, cups, and a spoon. First, I'm going to pour in the warm water. Now I'm going to put in the vinegar. And color. Now I'm going to mix up the color. Now I'll put the eggs in for a few minutes. Now that I'm done with my eggs, I took them out and let them dry on a piece of paper towel so that the extra water gets off. Look how beautiful they are. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and hit the notification bell down in the corner so you don't miss any of my new videos. And comment. Bye! First I had to make a bigger hole at the bottom, then I mix it up with the paper clip.